everybody is here. There are a room of fans here. They know how stubborn you are as a student. You always wanted to be a scientist. And of course, you become a weather man of India. From stubborn student to weather man of India, it's an incredible journey. So, what rest? All you want to know. What will you write some books on biopic that could be portrayed by the Bollywood? Any idea actually?
Thank you, Dibajit Babu. At the outset, I congratulate you and Interview Times for organizing this conclave where there is a mix of minds to discuss and deliberate various issues related to corporate social responsibilities and the way forward. I feel privileged to be associated with you.
This is the second time you are gracing this
Yes, I am
sir.
privileged. I also take privilege sitting with Honorable Member of Parliament,
Mr. Behra.
Mr. Behra Saab, and distinguished panelists in the dais and distinguished guests of the dais. So coming to your questions, yes, certainly I will continue my work and I will bring out some kind of story about the journey which has resulted in what I am today.
Yeah.
But apart from that, there are other avenues to work further. There is no end to the work.
Scientists never stop their creativity.
Work for the society. So when we think about the corporate social responsibility, it at present is not limited only to the corporate sector. It is a combination of various sectors in the society. So therefore, I feel a corporate sector social responsibility can be well defined in terms of an integration of the people, of the planet, and of course, as a corporate sector, we will be thinking about the profit. So when you think of the people, it is ever changing, it is ever transforming, and society is changing and evolving. At the same time, society is also confronting various types of strategic situations, like, say, for example, war, or maybe the climate change, yes, or maybe some kind of situation like COVID or something else, which we do not apprehend on a day-to-day basis.
Okay.
So therefore, we have to be prepared towards that as a corporate social responsibility. At the same time, there is also transformation in terms of technology. Now the days have come where we are talking about the AI. AI has entered into everybody's life now, everybody's activity now. Perhaps there is no such sector where people are not thinking about artificial intelligence. It was the 1980s when AI started actually, of course we are talking now, when everyone started to simulate what we are doing on day-to-day basis. That started the simulation, but now we are talking about technology which has come up so far that AI can give you the solutions, AI can give you the way forward, apart from others, whatever manually we are doing at present, in a fastest time, in a finer apprehension, and it can be a good help to the technology and the human being. So, if you consider the planet again, there is enough source to work further that planet is confronted on, and most important one is the climate change and its impact on our society, on our economy, on our behavior, etc. So we have to empower ourselves with the behavioral competency and also the functional competency.
True.
And that can be taken forward with the help of this corporate social responsibility, and we can empower each one, whether it is a government organization or a private organization or an individual or a society, so that they can address the requirement in the changing world in terms of this planet's requirement, so that we can have a safe environment. Then you need to approach certain path. So path is that first one is the ethical.
True.
So when you think about the corporate social responsibility, you have to go by the ethical approaches. So ethical approaches starts with the company itself or the corporate itself. Your people should be safe, your people should be educated, people should move forward, and your people should have that talent.
Welfare of the employee.
Yes, that means the people should now move from a karmachari to a karma yogi,
Absolutely.
which government has declared in the government sector, but I feel in each and every sector, now we have to move from being a karmachari to a karma yogi. So that concept should be adopted by the corporate so that you can carry forward the behavioral competence and functional competence of each and every person to ensure the corporate social responsibilities. So at the same time also you have to take into consideration your economy. The economy should also improve, and the challenges which you face, that has to be addressed, for example, today's world, in terms of various situations. Then environment, of course, you are taking, etc. Then fourth one is the philanthropy, which usually a layman, we understand that corporate social responsibility lies only with the philanthropy. One responsibility is that you should donate, say, 2% of your income or something like that for the benefit of the society. But apart from that, there are many such indirect ways by which the corporate social responsibility can be carried out and it can help. I am open to work with everyone, and there could be a very good public-private engagement or public-private partnership where we can work together.
CSR gives an ample opportunity to work with the society.
Yes, you are right. It gives ample opportunities. Every individual can also work, every organization can work. So CSR provides an environment where it is ethical, it is economically viable, it is sustainable, it is adapting the various technologies and changing behavioral pattern of the society, and also it is getting the profit for the betterment of the society.
Sir,
Thank
you
you.
have a ringside of you, world CSR ecosystem, because you travel in most of the countries. So how do you assess the impact of Odisha CSR story?
Certainly, if you put forth a success story, it impacts the others. Because others look at. We have been built up from the childhood itself by listening to the success stories, be it in the form of epics or be it in the form of your family. If your elder brother or elder sister is studying well, you are told that you see your elder brother or sister is studying well, you are not studying. So everywhere you get a story which is told by your mother at first, then your parents, then your brothers and sisters,
So it's
then
a
environment.
ripple effect.
And
Ripple
it
effect.
provides you some kind of momentum.
So
It gives you
generate
the
a momentum
energy.
is the key word, sir.
Yes, and you can go further.
Sir,
So
wonderful.
therefore,
Take two important factors that can insulate, encapsulate Odisha CSR ecosystem in a robust way. Two key factors that can change the dimension of the CSR scheme of things.
yeah, the first point, what I find that it is not simply the financial investment through corporate social responsibility, but also there are many more angles. For example, keeping our environment safe through corporate social responsibility and keeping people engaged
Yes.
through public-private
Giving employment.
engagement. So giving the employment and enabling them to have the opportunity, just like our
Mr.
young
Hiran
friend told,
Mantri, Mr. Mantri.
and also providing the environment for this purpose.
Cohesive environment, sir.
These are the two most important points.
Thank you so much, sir.
ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସମସ୍ତ ଗୁଣୀଜ୍ଞାନୀ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିବୃନ୍ଦଙ୍କୁ, ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଟାଇମ୍ସର ସମସ୍ତ କର୍ମକର୍ତ୍ତାଗଣଙ୍କୁ ବିଶେଷ ବିଶେଷ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଉଛି, କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରୁଛି ମୋତେ ଏହି ସମ୍ମାନରେ ସମ୍ମାନିତ କରିଥିବା ପାଇଁ। ଏହା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ମୋତେ ଏବଂ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ସଂସ୍ଥା ଭାରତ ପାଣିପାଗ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ବିଭାଗକୁ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକ ପ୍ରେରିତ କରିବ, ଯେମିତିକି ଆମେ ଦେଶର ସେବାରେ, ଜାତିର ସେବାରେ କେବଳ ନୁହଁ, ସମଗ୍ର ବିଶ୍ୱର ସେବାରେ ଅଧିକ ବ୍ରତୀ ହୋଇପାରିବୁ ଏବଂ ପାଣିପାଗ ଏବଂ ଜଳବାୟୁର ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରଚାର ପ୍ରସାର ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ନେଉଛୁ, ଏହାର ବିସ୍ତୃତ ବିବରଣୀ ଯେମିତି ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚାଇ ପାରୁଛୁ, ତାକୁ କେମିତି ଅଧିକ ବଳବତ୍ତର କରାଯାଇପାରିବ, ଯାହାକି ସାମାଜିକ ଏବଂ ଆର୍ଥିକ ପ୍ରଗତିରେ ସହାୟକ ହେବ ଅଧିକରୁ ଅଧିକ। ଏବଂ ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ସୋସିଆଲ୍ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି କଥା ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁଥିଲେ, ସେଥିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପାଣିପାଗ ଏବଂ ଜଳବାୟୁର ଯେଉଁ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ରହିଛି, ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନିଭାଇ ଆସିଛୁ, ତାକୁ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକ ସୁଦୃଢ଼ କରିବା, ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟିଏ ପବ୍ଲିକ୍ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟନରସିପ୍ ହେଉ କିମ୍ବା ପିପୁଲ୍ ପ୍ଲାନେଟ୍ ଏବଂ ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ କଥା ହେଉ କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ସୋସିଆଲ୍ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟିରେ କିମ୍ବା ଏଥିକ୍ସ କଥା ହେଉ, ସବୁଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପାଣିପାଗ ଏବଂ ଜଳବାୟୁର ବିବରଣୀକୁ ପାଥେୟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଏବଂ ସାମାଜିକ ଆର୍ଥିକ ପ୍ରଗତିରେ ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଏହାକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବେ ଏବଂ ସମଗ୍ର ବିଶ୍ୱକୁ ଏକ ସୁସ୍ଥ, ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛ, ସମୃଦ୍ଧିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ପରିଣତ କରିବେ।
Definitely, it is a huge responsibilities in our shoulders actually.